today we create this pic into this. So let's get started.
So first open your Picsart tab, import your image and do some adjustment like brightness, contrast. Then I want to some glow, so I go to sticker section and search green glow. Then select this PNG and blend to screen and duplicate it. Now add some interesting background like data transfer. So I took this image, blend to screen and remove some extra part. Then duplicate it and blend to overlay to some glow. Now I want to some futuristic art, so I want some social media like Facebook. So go to sticker section, search Facebook and try some cool PNG. Then I want to this Facebook stretch from my iWatch. So go to tools, stretch option and wrap their Facebook into the watch like this. Now I want to some futuristic robot mask, so I go to sticker section, search robot and then go to this is now select this cool mask. Now blend to screen and remove some also extra part of this. Now that looks great. Now I want some futuristic tattoo, so now go to sticker section and add some cool tattoo and blend to screen. Now I want to some more social media because the future is social media. So I will go to sticker section, search for Instagram and add some cool Instagram PNGs. Now I want some more social medias on the background, so I want more search on more social medias, images and PNGs and blend to the screen to the my background. Now I want some 3D hologram effect, so go to sticker section now and search futuristic or future. Then add some hologram effect according to here. It's all about you, how you make your pic. I only want you give the concept how you edit like futuristic stuff on Picsart only using the stickers. Now do some color grading on your Lightroom and that looks very fantastic. There is the today video. Hope you enjoy and learn something about futuristic art like this. So subscribe the channel and comment down for more stuff like this.